Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about file upload controller in ASP.NET and C#. So this is the example we are going to discuss in today's session. So we are taking one file upload controller here, and we are taking one button, and we are taking one label here to display the message. So user can select the file by clicking on choose file. So whenever user is selected a file, file name will be displayed here. And whenever user clicks on button, we have to upload the file, and before uploading we have to validate these things. File selection is mandatory, and file type should be doc file or Excel. Okay, and file size we are restricting to 3 MB. If it is less than 3 MB, we have to upload or we have to show messages like this. Okay, so we'll see quick demo first. So without selecting any file, I'm trying to upload file. So it is saying please select a file to upload. I'm selecting one file here, click on choose file. I'm selecting one PDF file, test.pdf, click on upload. Files with docs, XLS and XLSX only allowed. Okay, then I'm going to upload one file where its size should be more than 3 MB. Okay, so this file size we will check it. So I'm going to upload one file with 3.5 MB. Okay, I'm clicking on this, try to upload file size should be less than 3 MB. So finally I'm selecting one more file. I'm selecting one doc file here. You can check the size of this file also. So this file size is 10 KB. I'm selecting. So this is the file I'm going to upload. Click on upload file. So file uploaded successfully. So we'll check whether this file is uploaded or not. So this is my project source code. Click on uploaded files. So file has been uploaded successfully. So now we will implement this step by step in Visual Studio. So for this example, I used Microsoft Visual Studio for ASP.NET and C#. So these are all the implementation steps we have to do one by one. First, we have to create a new web project for this example, and we have to create a web form for file uploading controller and button designing, and we have to create a function to validate and upload the file. So finally, what we have to do is on button click event, we have to call this function to upload the file. So we'll see in Visual Studio now. So for this example, I am using Visual Studio 2013. Click on File, New, Project. So under Visual C# Web, Visual Studio 2012 I am selecting. I am taking empty web application, and I am giving my project name as File Uploading. Click on OK. So my project has been created here. I click on the project. We have to create one web form here. Click on Add, New Item, select Web Form. I am giving name as File Uploading. Click on Add. Now we have to design the page. So I am giving page title as File Uploading in ASP.NET. I need one table here. I am taking one ASP table. ID I am giving as TBL file upload or not servo, and my table should be aligned in center. Border color I am giving as black. I want border style as solid, and I want border width is 1. Okay. Inside table I need one header row, and I am taking one header cell for table header. I want font in bold, and I want font size in extra large. I am taking cos pen as 3. For color I am giving blue, and I am giving name as File Uploading, and after that I am giving one horizontal row here. and I want table row for file upload controller. I'm creating one table cell here, and I want font in bold. Vertically I want to set in middle. I'm taking one label here. Text I'm giving as select file, and I'm taking one more table cell here. Here I'm taking file upload. And ID I'm giving as file upload. For color I'm giving as yellow green. Font I wanted in bold. Then I need one more button here. I'm creating one more table cell, and I'm aligning all in middle. Here we need one button for uploading. I'm giving as btn upload is my ID. Not so. Text I'm giving as upload file. Whenever user clicks on button, we have to create one event here, button click event, and I'm giving back color as yellow green for this. And I want to set font in bold, and height I'm taking as 30 pixel of my button. So finally I want one more table footer row for label, and I'm taking one table cell here, and call span will be 3. I want to display the message here. I want to take one horizontal row before message, and I'm taking label here to display the message. And for color I'm giving as green. And font I will display as bold. So our design is completed as we expected. Now next step what we have to do is we have to create a function to validate and upload the file. For that you have to go to code behind. Whenever page loads, I don't want to display any message, so I have to clear the message here. I'm making as empty. Whenever button clicks, that time I want to call one function. I'm creating one function here, void upload file. First what we have to do is whether user is selected any file or not, we have to check that. For that, if our file upload controller name is fu file upload dot has file, then we have to upload, else so we have to show the message here, lbl message dot text, select a file to upload. So this message we have to display to the user, and I want for color as system.drawing.color.red. I want to display. Okay. So now file is selected by the user. We have to check the second validation is we have to check the extension. For this, what I'm doing is I'm creating one variable here, file extension system.io.path.get extension. Here we will get the file extension from a few uploaded.file name. From this we will get the file extension, which file it is selected and what type of file it is. Suppose if file extension dot to lower, so we have to make it as lower, because if there is any uppercase also we are making as lower, not equal to. So we have to allow only doc and Excel files. Okay, for that I am doing as doc and docx. If it is Word 2007 above means it will be docx will be there, and if it is not Excel or XLSX. Suppose file is not like doc file or docx, XLS or XLSX, then we have to display the message here. Text files with .doc, .docx, .xls and .xlsx. XLSX only allowed. Okay, again here we have to display the color as red, otherwise if it is doc file or Excel file we have to check the file size. Now we have to check the file size. Int file size, I'm creating one local variable here to store the file size. We will get file size from posted file dot content length divided by 1024. Here we will get in file size, we will get in bytes only, so we are converting into KB here. If file size greater than 3072, that means if it is more than 3 MB, so we are getting here whatever we get 1024 into 3, it will be 3072 KB. So that's why I converted here. So it will allow less than 3 MB only. So that is 1024 into 3. Okay, now we have to display, if it is more than 3 MB, file size is more than 3 MB means, then we have to display a message here, file size should be less than 3 MB only. Okay, to close here, else to upload file here. If all the conditions are satisfied, then we have to upload the file here. Folder path I have to pass here. I want to save it to map path. Here I want to store it in my root uploaded files directory. So in this directory I am mapping. Okay, first what we have to do is, first that directory is available or not, we have to check for that. First we have to check whether directory is available or not. If the directory is not exist, so we have to pass the folder path where to check the directory. If directory is not available, then we have to create a directory here. So we have to give the path. If it is available means then we have to save the file to folder. Okay. If you upload file dot save as. So here we have to pass the folder path. Let's path dot get file name. We need file name also. File name we will get it from fu file upload controller dot file name. Once it is uploaded, then we have to display the message here. It will be the message dot text equal to file dot get file name. So we are displaying file name also here for better understanding. Uploaded successfully. I'm going to display this message after successful upload. Now I want to keep it in try catch block. Select enter our function code. Right click, surround with try. If there is any exception here, I want to display the message, error message here. If there is any exception, it will display message. So we have to call on button click event. We have to call this function. So what we did is whenever page loads first time, we have to clear the label and we have to check the file extension. If there is any file is available, then we have to check the file extension. Or if file is not selected, then we have to show the message as please select a file to upload. Suppose file is selected, then we have to check the file extension, what type of file it is uploaded. So we will get the file extension here. So we are allowing only two types of document here. One is document and Excel. So here we are validating if it is not document or not XLS, then we are showing as file with doc and Excel only allowed here. Suppose if they selected doc file or any Excel file, then we have to check the file size. If file size is greater than 3070, that means 3 MB. If you calculate with 1024 into 3 MB, so you will get the 3072 KB. So if there is any file greater than 3072, then we are not allowing to upload the file. We are showing this message. Suppose if it is less than 3 MB, then we are checking the folder is available or not. If this folder is not available, we are creating a folder with this name. So then we are uploading the file with the file name. Okay. Finally, we are displaying the confirmation message as file uploaded successfully, and we are displaying file name also. So run the application. First we will try without selecting any file. I have not selected any file. Try to click on upload file. Please select a file to upload. So it is asking to select a file. I am clicking now on choose file, and I am going to select a file other than doc file and Excel. I am selecting PDF here, test.pdf. Try to upload file. It is asking files with doc and Excel only allowed. Okay. Now I am going to check on size. Okay. So I am going to select one file where its size is 3596 KB. So that means it's greater than 3 MB. Click on open. Click on upload file. File size should be less than 3 MB. All our validations are working fine. Now I'll give one file's correct file. So I'm going to select one doc file here where its size is 10 KB. Click on open. So file name will be displayed here. Click on upload. File uploaded successfully. So we can go to our file project and we can check whether the file is uploaded or not. So click on uploaded files. So our file has been uploaded here. So our file is uploaded successfully. So then I want to upload one Excel file also where it is less than 3 MB. You can check the size here. So it is 1.5 MB. I'm selecting this file, click on upload file, uploaded successfully. You can go to your folder and check it's uploaded successfully. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video.